Street.
Uy.
Ang aming navigator.
Nakatakot yung pababa eh.
Paano tayo na
Kaya pa, may itataas pa tuglay. Scallion pancake.
Scallion is a type of vegetable.
Yeah.
Gulay pala yung scallion? Wala ko sipon. Talong na tayo. Yes, hot pot.
Dati yung coffee blanca.
Anong kaka-viral dyan? Managas ko lang.
Parang yung nilagyan lang na yellow nga ng coffee blanco. 8.
6 out of 10. Yeah. Because walang ka-viral dito. Look. Team Orange.
Ilaban natin yan sa TikTok dance later.
Kita-kita. Sabi. Nakatandang siya. Uy, oo, pinapakanta ako. Pag ako talagang kumanta. Ito pa to?
Ano yan?
Turtle.
Sabi natin turtle.
It's the
Ganun.
brain.
Ay, maganda. Sa sobrang dami
Queen's
ba? Ito,
brain.
hindi mo na alam. Queen's brain.
Baka ito yung mga parts of the body ng
Queen's
queen.
feet. Hanapin na lang natin. Pero at least hindi siya yung parang maalikabok na buhangin.
I think it's down. Ano tama? Tawag doon? Sa batong yun?
Stalagmite?
Stalagmite.
Ayun!
Oo, nandun.
Yun nga
Ganyan,
siya.
diba? Ang liit lang, di ba? Pagoda. Pinagpapawisan yung ano.
Kikili ko.
Itong arbus ko.
Si Glay, aburido. Akala niya hindi niya maalis yung ID sa bag.
Oh,
Si Gisette, tingin.
si Grace.
Ako wala. Okay lang.
Cool lang.
Ah, cool lang. Alam, may baboy. Bye, Chipanol Street. So tired. Okay,
Paano tayo na?
Pinalis ko na. Tired. Waiting game. No. How's the taste of susok? Masarap yan. Ang sarap kasi pala ng cheese nila. It's mozzarella. Wala kami nagigets.
I could be the twist that can make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart. And we could find some space.
Ay, wala! Di ako ready!
I could be the word to your missing piece. That extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard to meet.
Welcome to... Wala ka, hindi ko alam.
Easy to
Driving lessons. Okay, so first is you have to switch
Ay, switch on. Switch on.
and then like pull it down
Yeah.
and like
Press
vroom,
this
vroom.
Makes a Saturday night and the rest of your life in it. One with a heart would agree. It's so easy falling in love with me. The way I make you laugh, where we love to share. It's a job and I could be French and be the girl of your dreams.
Bawang? Ha? Bawang daw. Ang sarap.
Bawang. Ano naman siya? Gisa. Drive naman. Drive bawang. Ano kami naiintindihan dito sa tour na to? Baka mamaya i-sacrifice na kami.
Filipino.
Ah, yung Filipino to?
Yeah.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi! Hi, something We're gonna try some ice cream in this very cold weather.
Yeah.
It's 18 degrees.
Lalamigin na rin ang aming utak.
Break.
We're here in the other port of Taiwan.
It's crazy cool.
Oh, where are we going
Oh
now,
yeah, I
guys?
think we're going to Miyahara to get some ice cream at 18 degrees.
Very
Fucking
Pinoy.
freezing.
Yeah, very Pinoy. They're
Yan,
minions.
yan, may mga construction workers.
They're minions.
That building is so cute.
Oh my god, the spot there, oh.
The spot there. Oh, this is it.
Welcome to Mia. Mia.
Kapag-anak ni Harry Potter. Oh my God, this is where our cousin lives.
Ooh, the lighting is so good. Nakakita niyo yung lalaking naka-red? Oo. Gusto kainin niya.
Hindi na makakain nito ang kanin.
Grace.
Ha?
Si Grace.
We asked the government officials of Taichung. There are people sleeping on the bench outside and it's freaking cold.
We're worried about them. Wait, bigay ko yung puffer jacket dito.
Sige, sige, para maligas ka.
It's freaking cold.
Here,
Chunky
we're gonna ride. Look to your left. This is the center of Taipei.
This, ito?
Theater.
Ito?
Theater pala.
Center. Kaya nga, ganun ba kapag magtatay?
Pag Pilipino.
Same lang ang Pinterest. Ang ganda naman ng lighting.
Lighting?
Lighting?
Lighting, di ba?
Light. Naisip na din. Ganda ng weather here. Wala pa nung gusto.